Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 5 and we will present about our lesson. The lesson is pest control on cabbage and shallot plants. Before that, we will introduce our group, that Muhammad Dafa Hendra Pramudia with student number 104. And then Muhammad Yusuf Effendi with student number 105 and Karansi Yaskia Putra with student number 108. Next. First is cabbage plants. According to Rukmana 94, the classification of cabbage plants is as follows. Kingdom is Plantae, division in Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledonea, order Papavulares, family Cruciferae, genus Brassica, and species Brassica oleracea. Cabbage generally can be grown in almost on any type of soil, ideally sandy loam that has sufficient organic content and has a pH of 6. The optimal temperature for cabbage plants is in cold areas between 15 until 25 degrees Celsius. Next. And then many types of cabbage plant and method of control. First is imported cabbage worm or Pieris papayi. Pieris papayi is unique among the other caterpillar listed as it is the only caterpillar of a butterfly. The cabbage weight ICWS reach a length of around 1 inch and are distinguishable by the fuzzy appearance. Feeding damage is similar to that of the cabbage grouper. So ICW cause only about 2 or 3 the damage of a looper. ICW puppet in a on the front. What cabbage worm has control can done by first with cultural control. Cultural control is remove weeds that are host for laying eggs, collect eggs, larvae, pupa, and destroy them. And then with mechanism control, with hand-picking caterpillar from plants can be an effective means of managing small planting. Plants should be scouted every few days to make sure caterpillar are being removed shortly after hatching. And then with biological control, plant a variety of flowers around the garden, especially small flowers such as sweet alyssum, parsley, dill, cilantro, buckwheat, and fennel. And then chemical control, chemically with the use of insecticide when controlling this pest attack. For example, azotrine, thiodan, 35 AC, Diptrex, 95 SP, and Toputhion 500 AC. Next. Cross-strip cabbage worm or Evergestis limosalis. Cross-strip cabbage worm are medium-sized caterpillar reaching about 0.4 alternating black and white strips across the black and yellow strip that travel the length on their body on either side. When ready to pupet, cross-strip cabbage worm drop to the ground and pupet just under the surface of the soil, where they are rarely observed. Next.
Cross-strip cabbage worm pest control can be done first by cultural control. Remove and destroy crop residue from the garden as soon as harvest is complete. So any pests that are present are not allowed to complete their life cycle. Biological control. The main biological control for caterpillar is Bacillus thuringiensis, also known as BT. This bacterial spore suspension is best applied as a liquid spray, which is ingested by the insect during feeding. The third is chemical control. Chemical control can be done with pyrethrin or azadirachtin and neem oil. And chemical body control by using natural insecticide such as tuberose, leaves of tobacco pucung, and galangal, and sprayed on leaves, stems, and other parts that have not been attacked. Next. Is bit armyworms or Spodoptera exigua. Bit armyworm feeding on younger tender growth can be very damaging to small plants. Often, fine webbing is produced by smaller larvae near these feeding sites. Older plants can become rapidly deviolated. Vegetable growers should pay particular attention to fall plantings of beans, tomatoes, crucifers, and other trap crops. Next. With armyworms, pest control can be done first by technical culture or planting pattern. Technical culture control includes sanitation, tillage, water management, spacing, intercropping, crop rotation, use of trap crops, timing of planting, and use of resistant plants. By physical control, by use of light trap. The trap is designed in such a simple way that it works by attracting both through the light of lamp with an effective and efficient flash time at 18 to 24 p.m. In 1 hectare, it takes 25 to 30 units of light traps by natural enemies using the parasitoids Eriborus sidices, 10%, Diadecma sp, Caprop sp, Euplectrus sp, Stenomysius japonicus, Microplids similis, and Peribaya sp. And then by chemical control. Some plant-based insecticides or pestitani that can be used to control bit armyworms are Agonal X66 or Nisala X66 and Agonal X66 or Kisala X66. Relia flora, Famililisae, Nisalium, and then the species is Alium Asalonisusum L. Shallot is an annual plant which has layered tubers, fibrous rods with the sharp leaves, hollow cylinder. Shallot bulbs are formed from the base of the leaves that unite from a deformed stem that enlarges and form a tuber. Bulbs are formed from layers of leaves that enlarge and unite. Plant can be planted in the lowland to highland no more than 1,200 meters above sea level. Next. Main pests of shallot plants and method of control.
Onion caterpillar Spodoptera exigua, one of the important pests of shallots which result in farmer not getting maximum production yield. Symptoms of this pest include transparent white spots on the leaves, hollow leaves, dropping, drying, in severe attack, all leaves are exhausted. Onion caterpillar pest control can be done by A. Cultural control technical aspect includes sanitation, soil management, water management, sparing arrangement. Physical and mechanical control is carried out by collecting eggs, larvae, and destroying them. Biological control. Cocopet or Dermaptera as a predator can prey on bending the tip of the abdomen. The larvae of Spodoptera exigua were clamped by means of the cerci. Then that larvae were eaten. Chemical control. Insecticides that are effective enough to eradicate armyworms on shallots are gastric contrast insecticide with active ingredients of Indoxacarb 160 gram per liter and emamectin benzoate 20 gram per liter, such as the example of Ditratmox ricandi 160 per 20 OD, or using systemic insecticide with the active ingredient of cyantrinyl pol. Next one is army caterpillar or Spodoptera litura F. Onion caterpillar often attack shallot leeks, sheaves, corn, sills, and peas. Shallots that are attacked look like long rickshaws or become membrane-like and wither. The color of the caterpillar is green at first, then becomes dark brown with the white stripe. The length of the caterpillar is approximately 2.5 centimeters. The life cycle is about 23 days. The female moth produces approximately 1,000 eggs. Army caterpillar pest control can be done by technical cultural control through crop rotation with non-host plants, simultaneously planting with time difference between early planting and late planting not more than 10 days. Mechanical control can be done by collecting and turning up group of eggs, caterpillars that are still in group, and caterpillar located on the lower surface of the leaves on the top of the plant. Biological control. Among several types of natural enemies that can be used as biological control in nuclear polyhedrosis virus or NPV, Spodoptera litura nuclear polyhedrosis virus is one of the viruses that can attack armyworms. Pesticide control. According to Sintung 2018, the use of plant-based pesticide with extract Vatican kebo can kill Spodoptera litura larvae in about 8 days to kills 50% of Spodoptera litura larvae. That's for our presentation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. All your question can be sent through the Spada group or Spada link or from the group discussion from Zoom. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.